What if I told you this audio
Audio quality enhances video impact by making dialogue.
could sound like this
Audio quality enhances video impact by making dialogue
in just one click? First, open Google and search for Adobe Podcast. Click on the official link. You can also find it in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll see a clean interface. Go to the Tools section and select Enhance Speech from the drop-down menu. This tool lets you remove background noise, echo, and automatically enhance your voice, all in just one click using AI. Now, simply add your raw audio file here. Wait a few seconds. The processing time depends on how long your audio file is. Once it's done, you can listen to your enhanced voice.
Audio quality enhances video impact by making dialogue understandable, reducing listener fatigue, and maintaining viewer engagement. Use proper microphones, control background noise, balance levels, and monitor recordings to ensure consistent clarity that supports visuals and delivers a professional.
Hear the difference? It's a huge improvement. If you're happy with the result, click here to download your enhanced audio. And that's it. Super easy, right? You can also remove noise from video files, but keep in mind that feature isn't available in the free version. Thanks for watching.